That's hail.
No.
No, I'm not. I was taking video of it. Like you can see it all out in the yard, but you can't really tell what it is. Some of them are like golf ball size. Look at that one out there. Huge.
They're bouncing everywhere. I want one.
No.
I want to steal one.
Oh, that's cool.
I want to steal one.
Oh, wait a minute. That one is golf ball size.
Yeah. That one was big.
Where?
Out there, they're
I told
smoking.
you he wasn't in here.
He wasn't sitting up there with Lucius, though.
Uh-oh. Here we go.
What?
Woo! Look at the chicken. I don't know. You could probably watch him bounce off my car out there.